Replacing a toilet might sound like a big, messy job, but it doesn't have to be. An old toilet can waste water, increase your bills, and even cause hidden leaks over time. Welcome to Kitchen Faucet. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step way to remove your old toilet and install a new one. No stress, no confusion. Let's get started. Step 1. Measure. Before removing anything, take a few quick measurements. Measure from the back wall to the closet bolts on the floor, and from the side wall to the edge of the toilet. These measurements help you choose the right size. Most toilets are elongated for comfort, but if your space is small, a round bowl might be a better fit. Step 2. Remove old. Start by turning off the water supply and flushing the toilet to empty the tank. Use a sponge to remove any remaining water. Disconnect the water supply line, then unscrew the tank bolts and carefully lift the tank off. Next, remove the nuts at the base of the toilet and lift the bowl. Toilets can be heavy, so be careful or get help if needed. Step 3. Prep base. With the old toilet removed, take out the old wax ring and clean the area using a putty knife. Place a rag in the drain hole to block odors and prevent anything from falling in. Check the flange on the floor. If it's damaged or too low, you may need a repair kit or extension. Then install new closet bolts to prepare for the new toilet. Step 4. Install toilet. Take your new toilet and place a wax ring on the bottom outlet. You can soften it slightly with warm water for a better seal. Remove the rag from the drain and carefully lower the toilet onto the closet bolts. Press it down firmly and make sure it's aligned with the wall. Secure the toilet by tightening the nuts evenly. Avoid over-tightening as this can crack the base. Step 5. Connect and test. Now, install the tank by attaching it to the bowl and tightening the bolts evenly. Connect the water supply line and slowly turn the water back on. Check for leaks around the tank and base. Flush the toilet a few times to make sure everything is working properly. Finally, install the seat and place the lid on top. And that's it. A complete toilet installation that saves water, improves performance, and upgrades your bathroom. Thanks for watching Kitchen Faucet. See you in the next video.